Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as uphold, 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 uphold. Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means to confirm, to support something which has been questioned. Let's see its use in sentences. The judge decided to uphold the lower court's ruling after reviewing the evidence. It is important to uphold the values of honesty and integrity in every situation. The police are tasked with upholding the law and maintaining public order. The organization strives to uphold the rights of marginalized communities. I hope you are enjoying and learning a lot of things from this short tutorial. Let's see more sentences. Despite the challenges, she worked hard to uphold her reputation as a fair leader. The company promised to uphold its commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. The board voted to uphold the decision to implement the new policy. As a teacher, it is her duty to uphold the principles of equal education for all students. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.